side of the hall. And what we want to do here is create a box. And based on this box here, this will be more or less the whole hall that is here. So we just take and add here 10 faces for X, Y, Z direction. And then we make a width symmetry. It means that if we make a change here, it will be copied to this side here also. So you get a symmetric hall. Okay, and then we just place a box. And we place it here. So you can see now we have a box here. It doesn't look very much like a ship hall for this X bar, but let's first try to change it a bit here. So in this direction we can widen it a bit. Can always change it later. And the height is here. Make it a little larger than the original hall. We will just cut away some of the top overlay here. And the width you can see here is too wide. Of course you can also, if you have the precise measurement, you can work with that. But I'm just showing you the principle here. It's not a direct copy. It's just a tutorial how to get started. So you have more or less here a box. So click OK. And now what you only have to do now is edit this freeform here. So how to get started here? We will just let me see how is the best way to start. You can see we have the freeform here. Edit freeform. And you will use this function here, only this. And this function here is also relevant. Here you can see the shape of the hall. If you click this on and off, you can see the shape. Then you have to make sure you're not looking from a side, so you need to have an exact view. So click here. Then you have the exact view, and only use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. So you will still have here a 90-degree view into this side here. And here you can make it smooth, or yeah, it says toggle smooth. You can see here you can, with this function, you can edit it. So now we need to select I think the best to start is to take this and hold the control down. And you can see you selected here on the other side as well, because it's symmetric. And we click on this. So if sorry, I just have to get started, so it's a bit slow here and show you. You can see we take all of the sides here and position them here. Click OK. Then we will take the next, this one, this, and this, and this. Oops, sorry. Oh my god. And again, we will have to edit freeform and move it into here. Later we will make further adjustments. Okay. Control down. Oh my god. So we selected the next here and edit freeform. Enter here. Whoops, sorry. This part here, select here. Okay. Edit freeform. So you can see slowly we are getting the contour of this part here. Click OK. And it will take some time to make this hull, but slowly we'll get there. Take this part here and move to here. Okay. And edit freeform. Point here. Okay. Of course, there are many different ways to draw a hull, but this is the way I choose to do it. We have to look precise angle here. So we will take this. It's a bit tricky just to hit the edge here, nothing else. It's very sensitive. Okay, I think we got it. And can always make better adjustment later on, but here's for a start. I think it's okay. And we'll take here. Oh, again. Edit freeform. I undo and again. But here. Later you may think you want more details, so you can also add some of these lines here if you need more. But for a start with this 10, 10, 10, I think should be enough. And this goes to here somewhere. Okay, and then I think it even goes up here like so. There can also be sections where you say, let's just postpone this for later. Oh my god. Yeah, I think we will just postpone this for later. So you can see here, we need to shape it here on the top. So let's try to do this. How do we start here? I think This sharp edge here we will do later, so I think here we can put this down here. Just select some edges and then move along here. Ah, that was not right. Okay, let's go here. And shape this part here. Can also move up here a bit. Like so. Actually, I don't like this here, what I did. I think I will just take this translucent away here. And then we want to shape the contour here. So what I'm going to do here is take some lines here. It won't change anything right now, but we will have to get the contour of this side here of the hull. and also continue doing so. In the center you don't need so many lines here, but here we definitely need them. I will show you later why. Just that we get this round contour here, so that we have something. Oops. It may take a while. Because we have this symmetry, this will do here, same happens here. So we will just have these sections here with symmetry of the, is it called bow? The front section. I don't know what it's called, sorry. Bow or stern. Ah, that was wrong. Just press Control C to undo it. I think we will just leave it like this here for the beginning. So, of course, I have more views of the shape as than you can see here. I have just disabled them. I have more work planes here in the front showing exactly what we want to do now is to press this section in here. It's a bit complicated, but let's give it a start. So what we want to do, start here. Now I think we need to just have this here, because on an X bar you have very visible section. Okay. Wow, I can't remember how I did it. Just give me a bit time here. Oh, this is not okay. I don't know if you can see it, but what we want here is to move these sides in here, so we'll just now we have something overlapping here. That's not good, so we will need to move these parts closer in this direction here. Just make some aggressive movements here. Later we will make finer adjustments. So you can see slowly we're starting to get there. If you want, you can toggle on and off this translucent, then you can also follow the contour of these shapes here. You can also turn them off. Until now we still have to I think at least this part here should be moved a little backwards. Then let's take a look again at this part here. I think we need to make it a bit better here. If you look on these lines, you can see they go up and down. We don't want this, so of course we will take again. Make the lines more symmetrical. Here we may also have to do some adjustments later on, but let's wait with that. We'll just make the adjustment here. No, that was not right. For now I don't need work planes with the images. Later I will need them, but now we'll just make the coarse adjustment, and later we come to the fine adjustments. So it may take a while, but eventually you will get there. Let's see how it looks when we toggle off smooth. You can see we're starting to get a shape here of the hole. But of course we may have to adjust even further. But it's very important that you don't cross these lines so that it goes like there. This is not okay. Cannot cross here. This will give problems later. I think we can also make some very rough adjustments here. And if in doubt, where we are, then you can toggle on and off this translucent to get the inner, if you don't exactly know where you are. So just shape it in XYZ direction. Maybe that was too much, so we go back here. also here. Go a little back again. Yep. And we may also try here to start forming the bottom section here. So maybe you see where we get